Good morning. I am Chief Dassinger with the Dickinson Police Department. I'll be making an announcement this morning concerning public safety operations. After I complete my announcement, Mayor Scott Decker will be releasing a statement. The Dickinson Police Department and Fire Department are fully operational. We want to assure our citizens that we have implemented several procedures and protocols that will allow us to continue to provide a high level of service their community deserves and expects during these trying times. The Dickinson Police Department and Fire Department are doing everything we can to keep our staff healthy to allow us to continue to professionally serve our community. As part of this, our dispatch center will be asking more questions prior to dispatching police or medical personnel. We will continue to respond to emergency medical calls, but with increased precautions. We have restricted public access to the Public Safety Center and increased the handling of non-emergent police calls for service over the phone when possible. In addition, the Police Department has suspended our community service program and fingerprinting services. We will continue to respond to animal-related calls, but have restricted public access to the animal shelter. This is a very fluid situation that is rapidly changing. At the time of doing this report, there has been no confirmed cases of this nasty virus in Stark County. As this virus is on our community's doorstep, we will continue to adjust our protocols as needed to provide the highest level of public service to this great city as possible. We need to take this matter seriously and follow the recommendations of our healthcare officials, follow the executive orders issued by Governor Burgum, and practice social distancing. Every citizen must do their part by practicing social distancing to flatten out the virus's growth curve and prevent a rapid spike in our community, which will make the job of our medical professionals even more difficult. I will now turn it over to Mayor Scott Decker.
Thank you, Chief Dassinger. Good morning, Dickinson. We are blessed at this time to have no recorded cases of the COVID-19 virus in Dickinson or in Stark County. We also know that this statistic will likely change. I have been asked by a number of people about why Dickinson has not declared in a state of an emergency, as some cities have in North Dakota. A city declares an emergency when they are in need of additional assistance. At this time, city leadership is dealing with all present issues well. If a COVID-19 case is declared in the city or county, we will reevaluate our position at that time. The city of Dickinson has been proactive in its approach to closing city-owned facilities that citizens can congregate in groups larger than 10. The Dickinson Public Library and Dickinson Dinosaur Museum are closed to the public. The Public Safety Center, which houses our police and fire department offices, are closed to the public until further notice. The staff at this facility continue to do regular work, inspections, and patrols. As always, they will respond to 911 emergency calls. The Public Works and the Baylor Building are also closed to the general public. Commercial clients can still use the Baylor Building scale and have access to the city dump grounds. All scheduled solid waste and recycling routes will continue as normal. At this time, City Hall is closed to the general public. City employees are still at work and are available by phone or email. If necessary, appointments with staff will be available. All utility and court payments may be put in the drop box behind City Hall. Regularly scheduled City Commission meetings and the Board of Equalization meeting dates may change. If so, notices will be given. The CDC guidelines state that we should limit all of our interactions and observe social distancing. This will have significant impact on the businesses in our city. I urge you to patronize our local businesses that are providing takeout and drive-up options. Many local stores are making accommodations to provide certain hours for elderly and those individuals with health concerns. Please adhere to these set hours and not compromise our most vulnerable individuals. It is all at times like this that I am so thankful to live in a community like Dickinson. This is a community that knows how to take care of one another and make the best of difficult and challenging times. The character of our community shows up during times of crisis, and I'm already seeing that in Dickinson. We will get through this and emerge a stronger, tighter-knit community. Thank you.